Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make the shower vapor discs. And you're going to start with 2 cups of baking soda and a half a cup of water. And you're just going to get yourself a medium bowl and put 2 cups of baking soda in there with a half a cup of water. If you need a little bit more, you want a consistency that you can kind of pour a little bit there. I already got it all mixed up. And then I bought this cute little silicone mold at Hobby Lobby. I've already got one in there. So then you just take and put a little in there, and when you get them all full, I'm going to show you. You'll tap them down so they're nice and smooth. See those two? One of them's fuller than the other. And then when you get those all full, you'll stick them in the oven and you'll bake them for 20 minutes, and then just take them out and cool them on a rack, and then they'll just pop right out. And when you go to use them, you put a couple of drops of whatever oil you want. Some good choices are RC. You could use Digize if you have a kid with a little tummy issues. I don't know what it would smell like. I've never tried it. Lavender would be nice and relaxing before bed. Eucalyptus, of course, is always good in the wintertime. And then if you want to give them as a gift, I bought this little jar at Hobby Lobby, and I just added a little bow, and you can just put them in there because they're supposed to be stored in an airtight container. And if you wanted to give the oils with it, these little things that came in your kit would make a good way to put, I don't know, 20 drops of oil to share with somebody. You could give them a combination. And so that would be a perfect Christmas gift. So, and like I said, this came from Hobby Lobby. And that's it. Those are really a real simple DIY for you to give a try to. Have a great day.